Hi, little egg, little egg, little egg, little eggs. Your mom was involved in an 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 but I'll take your spot. I'll take your spot. I'll take care of you. Hey, fellas, good news. I found an extra 75 watt bulb lying around. I'll call you Chirpy Boy, and you Bart Jr., and you can call me Mother. No, wait, that sounds kind of free. Just call me Mom. Just call me Mom. Mom. Is the nest still warm? And I don't know what sign is it. Is the nest still warm? Is the nest still warm? Is the nest still warm? Is the nest still warm enough, Mom?
It's starting to cool down. I'll bake another pie.
Why is it taking so long? Bart was born in about 5 minutes.
Actually, it took 53 hours. 53 hours. It took 53 hours. 53 hours. 53 hours. 53 hours. 53 hours. 53
Everybody come quick, they're hatching!
I see a foot.
I see an eye! I see a neck!
I see a horn.
A horn?